We'll guide you through how to change the color of a car in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to customize car images for creative projects, advertisements, or social media content. Changing a car's color in Photoshop is a quick way to visualize different designs without repainting in real life. It also helps beginners learn useful tools like selection, masking, and color adjustment techniques effectively. First, open Adobe Photoshop by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer, then type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar and click Open when the application appears. After the program is ready, open the car image you want to edit by clicking File, then selecting Open or pressing Ctrl O on your keyboard, browsing your files, choosing the desired image, and clicking Open to load it into the workspace. To easily change the color of the car, you need to select the car first by following the next steps carefully. Move your cursor to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click Select to access selection options. From the drop-down menu, choose Subject, and Photoshop will automatically detect and select the main subject, which in this case is the car. After the selection is complete, you can refine it for better accuracy by clicking Select, then Select and Mask to adjust the edges if needed, making sure the selection looks clean and precise. Then click OK to confirm. Next, go to Layer in the top menu, choose New Adjustment Layer, and then click Hue/Saturation to create a new adjustment layer specifically for changing the color. In the Hue/Saturation panel that appears, check the Colorize option so that the color of the selected car can be modified easily. Then, adjust the hue slider to choose the new color you want for the car, moving it left or right until you find the desired shade. After that, adjust the saturation slider to control the intensity or richness of the color, making it more vibrant or more subtle, depending on your preference. Next, adjust the lightness slider to match the lighting conditions of the image so the new color looks natural and realistic within the scene. Once you are satisfied with the final result, click File in the top menu. Then choose Save as to save your edited image. Select your preferred file format. Choose a location on your computer and click Save to complete the process properly.